Hello, this is Nathaniel Oxford with a tutorial on the bass for the Pirates Parade. And for this one, your notes are C, E flat, F, G, and A flat primarily. Yeah, and if you want to play them up here, you can keep your hand pretty much all in just one position and one fret per finger. C, E flat, and G are going to be your main chord notes, and then D, F, A flat are going to be your other ones. I'm probably going to get a lot of scratching in here, but you can also play this down here. If you play it on string bass, you're probably going to want to learn it down in first position and half position. So that's going to be third fret on the A string for C, first fret on the D string for E flat, and then open G. So the beginning, if you're going to play it up here, it's going to sound like this. Okay, so that's the beginning. It's all 1, 3, and 4. If you want to play it down here, it's going to be like this. It's going to be C, E flat, and G. Let's see how it's going to be. C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, D. Okay, yeah, so it's down at first position down here. At A, note that there's a change. It doesn't do the C thing twice. You probably figured that out on if you played it on another instrument before, but it changes at A from C, E flat, G to D, F, A flat. So let's try that. Let's do it up here. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, G, C, E flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, G, E flat, D, F, E flat, D, C. And that's C happens at rehearsal letter B. And then rehearsal letter B is pretty much the same as rehearsal letter A. And then at letter C, it goes like this. It goes C, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, E flat, G, C, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, E flat, G, C, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C. And then letter D happens like the beginning. It's just like the beginning again. Letter E is just like letter A. Letter F is also just like letter A and letter B and letter E, except at measure 55, it comes out with a big ending. So at F, it goes like this. C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, C, or G, C, E flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, E flat, G, D, F, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, G, E flat, D, C, rest, C. Cool. Have fun.